Oh, you like a little Justin Bieber? You got Bieber fever? We got Bieber fever in here. All right, you come and take this whooping or you not?
I got 5 minutes. And then it's time to dance again.
We might get y'all some beach footage in this video, but right now, y'all, we just chilling. Just chilling, old school style. And I don't know if you caught the video for this. If you didn't, well, we're staying in the backside here. A little old condo.
Everybody loves watching concerts. That's what they're doing for.
Let's talk about it. Yeah, look at that palm tree. Country.
I should take back again with another one. Today we're gonna be playing games and going to the beach. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's silly. Why don't you pick it up and hula hoop in it?
Bad hair day, don't charge me.
Bad hair day, huh?
Yeah,
Why you having a bad hair day?
I forgot hair ties up in the house. Your turn.
You jumping in Kyrie, they put out each board, and put it out here, put it on top. Whoever knocks it over is the loser.
Don't touch the table.
I'm gonna set this up and let y'all watch.
It's gonna be a loser. Yeah, she better lose on this one right here. Go ahead and record it. Alright, put it on top then.
That's how it goes. Whoever knocks it over is the loser. I'm gonna set up the snack area, the snack bar. I'm gonna go from cooking some trissolate over here like knockoff jism. And well, I can't let y'all see my turkey. I'm basted in that old school style.
Don't forget this, Daddy. Make sure you get this.
Baby girl, who you gonna dedicate this victory to?
Okay.
Baby girl, you dedicate all the victories to LK.
Because
the subscribers watching this thing is getting old. Getting old.
Feeding my competition. Pull it, Mom. Pull it out. Pull it out. Please fall. Pull it out. Pull it out.
I told y'all that thing was gonna get carried away.
Okay, wait. It's definitely gonna get carried away. Give me like 10 seconds.
You gotta put yourself a victory speech together. That's the gritty out of Smitty. Which one?
You can offer me a diamond-plated pearl. You can send me all the riches in the world. You can tempt me with the palaces of kings. I'd give them back in a big old sack and keep the simple things.
Let me give you some space. You look like 12. That's how 12 do the gritty. What y'all think?
Next. Okay. I do it.
And then we got that thing over. We're gonna get on to the next thing. Finish cooking the trissolate. We might get y'all some beach footage in this video, but right now, y'all, we just chilling. Just chilling, old school style. And I don't know if you caught the video for this. If you didn't, well, we're staying in the backside here. A little old condo. Y'all never mind that weather. And y'all, a couple stores up. Well, about 3 floors up. Our second or third time staying in this union. We always come up and enjoy it. But we gonna hit that pool later and get out there and hit that grill. But for now, we're gonna get back in. Well, back to the festivities. Looks like they're setting up another round. Who playing? DJ playing? CJ playing?
DJ, Skylar. Quit hitting the heavy, man. I'm champion, Mama. I'm the great. I think DJ. Yeah. DJ, you wanna play? I'm champion. Because if DJ don't wanna play, we can kick Skylar off the table and me and you can play, Daddy. No, DJ is asleep. Sleep? Play game. Sleep? On vacation?
You're trying to hide. What we got? We got some Luna. Still a mockingbird.
Come on, Daddy.
Mama. There you go.
wanna get whooped real quick? He don't like to lose. Ho! You can't mess up the whole set. You have to touch one piece, not all pieces. You touch one piece, whatever piece you touch, you have to pull.
It's your turn. It's my turn. It's my turn to lose.
You put it just that wrong way.
No, I didn't. I can put it however I want. Can't even play a game for us having the rules here. Place it on top without knocking over the counter. That's what I did. I followed the rules.
I think you bent him a little bit, but alright. Back up. Y'all cheating. That is cheating.
Let's see here. Yeah, right here where that old thumb is. Place it on top. Right there. Place it on top without knocking over the towel, and that's what I done. Let me set this back. There's no footage in this video.
Monitor hair loss and hair gains. With HIMS, discover a range of prescription treatments, like the quick-drying 4-in-1 spray, formulated with finasteride and minoxidil, so you can regrow hair.
So Michael Jordan said, I raised the ante up. That's called raising the ante.
Good job.
Baby girl, that's called raising the ante on. Here's another 3 up. Alright.
Sometimes Michael Jordan got hurt too.
You gotta find a loose in there.
And really, LeBron better than Michael Jordan anyway.
That's gonna come with him. That's gonna come with him when I pull him out of there.
Once you touch it, you can't stop. You can't put him back.
Yes I can. I don't have to pull it when I pull it out.
You're pulling them out and you're putting them back in.
That's part of the system. You don't want me to leave them out, do you?
If you touch it, you can't put it back in.
Look here. See that guy wedged in there? He ain't coming out of there. You see that? Oh, that weight on him. I can touch him and see if he can come out of there.
Yeah, but you can't touch a million of them and move a million of them.
Got the Tucson too late. Boom. You mean throw it up there?
You want to?
I can toss it up there. That talented. Let me know when it's my turn. 3 more times.
Alright.
You mean to go the next 3 in a row?
No, yet.
I'll pull the next 3 in a row if you want me to. I say 3 goes. Whoa, you can't touch it and go on to the
I'm not moving
That's
them.
what you told me.
I can touch them. I can't move
You
them.
touch it and go on to the next one. I want this guy. Let's call sending a message to your competition.
Better knock over on my turn.
Baby girl, come look at what I built on.
Alright, your turn.
What?
Technically, you already lost.
It's your turn.
No,
I ain't lost yet.
Yes, you have,
It's not
because the
knocked
ones
over.
that you've been pulling, you ain't been putting on the top.
I have.
No, the top is right
It's
here.
on top of this one.
Nah, this is the top. It's on the
It
top.
depends on what you call the top.
You ain't even one top. Is it two? Hey guys, is there two definitions for top?
No.
Alright, let's get back to work. Why he come? He should come.
This is
Go ahead, keep dancing together. I'm gonna put my hand to you in a minute. I don't know, you'll come out. All that just keep turning them like that right here in the ways of pace. And he come over right there. Baby girl, look at the tower I built on.
I am so frustrated.
Good job.
This don't look like cheating to you?
Baby girl, look at the tower I built on.
Does this look the same as what we just did?
You said put it on top, so I guess it counts.
That's on the top.
It counts.
Old school whooping.
I think this is cheating. I think this is a loophole.
Loophole!
Maybe
Loophole!
Game over! Give me that. Give me that.
Game over! Y'all, another victory for all the men on the channel. Well, that goes to show.
And 9-year-olds.
Did you win?
Yes, I won once against Mama.
We got that thing on tape. I don't think you won.
Yes, I did.
Did Skylar win?
Yeah.
We'll give her a little bit of piece of victory too. I'm gonna push pause on this sucker. We can go chow time. Check back here with y'all in a minute. Old school country style. It ain't no country, it's Bieber, but it'll do. Oh, you like a little Justin Bieber? You got Bieber fever? We got Bieber fever in here. Alright, you come and take this whooping or you not?
I got 5 minutes. And then it's time to dance again.
I understand that.
My turn. I don't have nothing else.
Story of my life. Story of my life. What y'all think? Y'all think she in trouble? She got anything y'all
I'm
hear?
not gonna tell you. Okay, here. Y'all can see.
It's on the camera, I can't see it either.
Y'all can see.
Who y'all think gonna win this time?
Yeah, I'm told.
You didn't even deal my cards.
Blue?
I can't play.
What, they picked the wrong card?
I just need to beat this because I know. I have a song to get that too.
Is that what you thinking?
Didn't want to use my own.
Is it pretty good? It's pretty good over there. Going to town.
You're not supposed to do that.
Going to town and back.
I'm gonna be in dinner.
Now, what's that one song with construction music video?
Alright, here. Blue. I have to get her. I know when you come to grade school back in the 5th grade, I'm sorry, when you're 5 years old, you're struggling to count before. I forgot that to count. That's 2. That's 3.
Yeah.
That's 4. We're gonna go blue. Skip here. Now we're gonna go red. And your turn.
No.
Right, for all the fathers watching this thing, when you play against your children, Lay it on them. Whoop them. Try to make them cry. Send them home to mama and make mama cry. That's how you compete and get after it. I'm trying to send a message. Come on, let's go. Losers walk. Losers walk. Nah. Let's not. What you say, Barry? Let's not. Just say we did.
Yep, that's it. You know what, Dad? You want me to let you win?
You ain't gonna ask that.
I'll let you win. Because my favorite song in the world is by Justin Bieber's King On. I'll let you win.
Well, you gonna play anything?
I don't have
That's typical. No. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your beautiful day.
That's the same way I always woke up on them. Matter of fact, I think I'm undefeated. This thing hold anything, can hold any weight. Let's see what I do.
In my house.
Alright, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our evening. If we get anything, we'll take y'all with us. If not, we're gonna kick y'all out. Y'all don't have to go home, but y'all got to get the heck up out of here. CJ, you said you think she need to do what now?
Lexia. Shelby has 0 units and I have 52.
Oh, you beating that in the units. You think she gotta do something with Lexi up there?
Down.
And she's stuck on Georgia, child. Alright, y'all. All the games are we hitting the end of the night. And I fired that thing up. Nighttime, now y'all can't see much. Wait a minute, I gotta get my phone. We gotta have some jams. And that sucker on. Let me show y'all this nice little trail. We're gonna hit out. We'll hit this trail country style. I'm gonna show y'all these lights. I know normally when we break out a trail, it's a country one. This one looks city. Show y'all these lights. Country. What about?
My flip flop.
Huh?
My flip flop. Don't hate. Don't hate.
Look like he's stuck on Georgia time too. I'm gonna get these lights and these palm trees. And then I'm gonna kick them out and tell them thanks for watching.
I think they'll enjoy that. You know, the palm tree part.
Not being kicked out?
Nah, everybody loves watching palm tree. That's what they do in for.
Let's talk about it. Y'all look at that palm tree. Country. We got y'all get a chance y'all to win. And look, storm coming in. We let y'all come with us. And y'all got a chance to see me whoop all of them in the game days. We got rained in. We're gonna put 3 or 4 videos together, collection style. We want y'all to come and check. We're gonna have us a beach video, maybe a fishing video, we don't know. But I know we're gonna get after it. You might see me break one of these buildings and tour them too. Look how beautiful y'all. And then circle this sucker back around. Look at the tires.
Aw, how pretty.
That's nice. That is nice. Get y'all just a quick tour of the area. We're gonna be calling ourselves home for the next 4 days. Pelican Eye. It's nice, ain't it?
Yeah. I like the landscape. Condos everywhere.
Yeah. Look at this light there. You think you can get right out there?
You think they got some pine trees out here?
Nah. Palms.
Gotta go home.
Wow. Now I'm taking a liking to this whole place.
Ain't nothing like them pine trees swaying in the wind.
Sway. Look at that Porsche. And some of y'all might call it Porsche. Now look, look at this palm tree. Looking like nice. Beautiful. Alright. Keep making our way. Keep making our way.
Don't let no snake get on me back there.
You might like that. Well, I'm saying if it's a rattlesnake, we'll make our way down to this slough here. Nice turf green doctor grass. That's beautiful. Let me turn that light, let y'all see that. Y'all know I'm like CJ. Every chance I get, I gotta see if something's in it. Nah. Alright, let's make our way back in. I'm gonna let Skylar kick y'all out. She gonna be the one to tell y'all thanks for watching. We're gonna make our way in. We're gonna let Skylar. Look, let me show you one more. Let me show you one more. Look at them trees right there. That's beautiful. Look at them. Alright. Making our way in. What y'all doing? Me and Mama gave him a tour. We gave him video game session all, well, not video game, board game session all day. Y'all still sitting here. Me and Mama gave him a tour. We need y'all in the video. Can y'all do that? Huh? I know y'all tired. I can tell red them eyes. Y'all just like me. Country. Y'all work them eyes, get yellow, red, and pass out, don't y'all? Y'all want to give it just one quick shout out. Anybody got anybody?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'll let you get yours in there.
Shout out to Waylon.
I knew you was gonna say that. Who CJ better give his shout out to?
Jackson.
Shout out to Jackson. Listen to. Well, y'all tell them thanks for watching so we can wrap this sucker up.
Thanks.